Holy Ghost! Break it down. Then we wait and never mono. Everything was ahead, thank you. Now, I said, a bandit in a wounded mother. You know what I will not go away. I never Christian who was for the hotel needed to why. So, the other one I have to do. Oh, the inside I will attack. Then I said, you will attack. You will not have a hotel on a hill with them. One, thank you very much. When you tell me one, I'm not going to. So, the reason why you are not compared to the bandit, you are too good. The reason why you are not compared to the bandit, when I tell you that I know. I want a bandit to work around him for a hotel. Why you never play? Just this for a Christian. Let me tell you the truth, eh? The worst thing you can make him know why. We need to tell him why. I'm going to have a boo. You have what I want to put out for him away to that. I want to have a walking. I'll walk in there and see ya. Holy God!